In example 2, we need to solve each equation for the variable indicated. Where necessary, we'll round to the nearest thousandth. For part A, there's a couple different ways to do this. One thing is that you could take this number that's outside here, move that up into the exponent position inside the logarithm, and then go ahead and do that math. Another way would be to try to figure out the logarithm first and then apply the 6. So we'll do it the first way here. We'll take the, log base 4 of 2 and then raise that to the 6th power. Still going to be equal to a. 2 to the 6th power, memory serves me correctly, that would be 64. So we've got log base 4 of 64 is equal to a. Then we can go ahead and actually do this part. So the left hand side is asking us 4 to what power is 64? And that's 3. So log base 4 of 64 is just 3, and that's equal to a. Another way to do this would be to try to figure out this log first. So log base 4 of 2 is asking us 4 to what power is 2. This one's a little tricky at first because it's not going to be an integer, it's actually going to be a fraction. The square root of 4 is 2, and the square root is the same as 1/2. So 4 to the 1/2 power is 2. That's equal to a. 6 times 1/2 is 3. That's the same answer that we got before. Either way works. With the one on the right, we have the x being in the base position, so we don't have just numbers. We can't really state what this is just quite yet. But what we can do is change this logarithmic equation into an exponential. The base is x. In a logarithmic equation, we're solving for the exponent, and then 1/8 is going to go on the right side. If we solve this, we can take this, raise it to the 1/3 power. That would work. I'm going to rewrite this first, though, if I want to do this by hand, as 2 to the -3 power. 1/8 would be 2 to the -3. The 2 to the -3 would move to the bottom, making that 3 positive, and then 2 to the 3rd power is 8. If we raise each side now to the 1/3 power, we've got x is equal to -3 times 1/3 would be -1. Base has to stay. Whoops, wrote 2 equal signs there. So x will be 2 to the -1, which is the same as 1/2.